I'm really excited to talk about this new 3-inch pipe. It's super easy to install. This is a great DIY kit, or if you're a young contractor and don't have the equipment to put in the 4-inch pipe. We've never had a 3-inch pipe with this much inlet, ever. You want to talk about ventilation, you want to talk about air pruning tree roots off. I am so happy to have this virgin HDPE, high density polyethylene pipe, no recycled material. Man, this is just amazing. Beautiful pipe. Beautiful pipe. It just arrived. I've always wanted a 3-inch pipe that would breathe like an 8-slot 4-inch pipe. This is intended for a 100-foot system where you have 2 3-inch pipes. You have 3-foot by 100 non-woven geotextile filter fabric that's been double punched, 2 end caps, 50 fabric staples. Look at this. More inlet than any other 3-inch pipe on the market, period. You can put it in with a trencher shovel, or you can rent a trencher. This is a 5-inch trenching shovel. Easy DIY, and whenever we combo things up like this, where we give you the fabric, we give you the 200 feet of pipe, we give you the fabric staples, we give you the 2 end caps, we're going to give you a great value when we put a kit together and we combo things up. If you like the products that we're bringing to the market for the DIYer, for the young contractor, for the experienced contractor, give us a thumbs up. It supports what we're doing. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until that next video.